I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've accidentally deleted messages on Snapchat, don't you worry. Here is how you can try to recover them. Step 1. Check your memories. Open Snapchat and swipe up to access your memories. Sometimes, messages or snaps may still be saved there. Step 2. Use Snapchat's data requests. Go to your Snapchat settings, scroll down to Privacy, and select My Data. Request your data to see if your deleted messages are included. Step 3. Check archived chats. If you've archived any chats, you can find them by swiping left on the chat screen. Archived chats might still contain the messages you thought were deleted. Step 4. Contact Snapchat support. If the above steps don't work, reach out to Snapchat support. They may be able to assist you in recovering your messages. Step 5. Regular backups. For future prevention, consider regularly backing up your chats or saving important messages. You can do this by taking screenshots or using the Save in Chat feature. Remember, recovery isn't guaranteed, but these steps can help you try to get your messages back. Good luck!